Hey guys, welcome back to whole new season of AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner questions. In this new season, we are going to discuss about top frequently asked questions in this certification. In this session, not only we are going to find the correct answer for the question, but also we are going to discuss why remaining options are incorrect for these questions. This will help you to cover multiple topics at a time. By learning in this way, even though you haven't studied of any concept, I am sure you will be able to give answers for those related questions. I will be covering all the questions by their category. So today's in this episode, we are going to cover billing and pricing category. Let's go for first question. So the question is, a startup wants to set up its IT infrastructure on AWS Cloud, and CTO would like to get an estimate of the monthly AWS bill based on the AWS services that the startup wants to use. So as a cloud practitioner, which AWS service would you suggest for this use case? We have these following options. Let's look at these options one by one. In this first option, cost and usage report, it usually contains the set of AWS cost and data usage available. It also includes additional metadata information, AWS services, pricing, credit, fees, taxes, discounts, cost categories, reserved instances, and saving plans. So it does give the report but cannot provide the estimate. The second option, AWS budget, gives you the ability to set up the custom budgets that alert you when your cost or the usage exceeds your budgeted amount. So this tool is only keeping eye on your cost or the usage. It will not give any estimate. In this next option, AWS Cost Explorer has an easy to use interface that lets you visualize, understand and manage your AWS cost and usage over time. So this option is also not gives any estimation. The next option, AWS Pricing Calculator, is a correct option for this question. Why? It lets you explore the AWS services and create an estimate for the cost of your usage on AWS. You can model your solutions before building them, explore the price points and the calculations behind your estimate, and find the available instance type and contract terms that meets your needs. This enables you to make the informed decisions about your AWS. You can plan your AWS cost and usage or price out setting up a new set of instance and services. AWS Pricing Calculator can provide the estimate of AWS service usage based on the list of AWS services. Let's check how AWS Pricing Calculator dashboard looks like. For this, go to google.com, search with AWS Pricing Calculator, hit enter, click on first link. Now click on Create Estimate. Here you can explore with any of the options. Like I will be searching from location type. I will keep as it is. So this will be region only. And I'm going to choose my own region, that is Asia Pacific Mumbai. Here I'm looking for EC2 instance. Means I'm choosing EC2 instance service for estimation. Click on Configure. I'm going to select shared instance as it is, and Linux will be my operating system. You can choose any of operating systems which are available from this list, and my workloads will be constant usage. There are many options they have given, that is weekly spike traffic, monthly spike traffic and daily spike traffic. So number of instances I want, suppose 2. Scroll down. I want 1 core per instance here, so I'm going to select 1 from the list, and memory will be 4 GB for per instance, and you can choose network performance, like my traffic will be in middle of low and moderate, because this question was related to startup company, and suppose low and moderate is enough for development. Here it is suggesting instances like T4 medium, T3A medium. Like you can see all the configuration like CPUs, memories, and the storages with EBS volumes. Let me choose T4G medium. You can also see the potential effective hourly cost with the savings percentage. The instance I have selected where I got the 63% of savings. And on the screen down left hand side you will see total upfront cost, that is $515. If you scroll down you will see the payment options. Here I have selected compute saving plans with 3 years of reservation term. These all options I have selected for EC2 instance service. You can select these options for any of service. Now click on Save and View Summary. On right hand side, you can click on Add Service and you can add as much services in this estimation and it will show you the upfront cost on top. That's it for this video. If you like this way of learning and passing AWS certifications, like this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel.